Bird is a hybrid strategy and audiovisual production studio dedicated to brands, corporations, and institutions. We operate at the intersection of brand strategy and content consulting, multi-format, audiovisual production, performance-driven storytelling. Our mission is simple: to transform audiovisual content into a measurable driver of brand performance and business growth. Unlike traditional agencies that separate strategy from production, Bird integrates both into a single agile and scalable structure. Our value proposition: Bird designs and produces audiovisual content that simultaneously serves four strategic objectives: visibility, increasing brand awareness and reach brand image, strengthening positioning and perception conversion, supporting acquisition and marketing performance, retention, enabling continuous content ecosystems. We don't create videos. We build content systems designed to generate business impact. Bird stands out through a unique hybrid model: integrated model strategy plus production. Within one structure leads to eliminating inefficiencies between agencies and studios, speed and agility. Modular production network and lean internal team leads to faster delivery cycles than traditional agencies. Cost efficiency, flexible freelance ecosystem, optimized production costs without compromising quality. Multi-format capability. We produce brand films, advertising campaigns, social media content, podcasts, documentaries, business-oriented vision. Every content piece is designed as a growth lever, not just communication material. Bird operates across four main client segments: scale-ups 10 to 500 employees, focus, growth, acquisition, digital performance, needs, social content, ads, agile production, mid-sized companies, ETIs, 250 to 5,000 employees, focus, corporate image, employer branding, needs, institutional films, HR content, large corporations and groups, 5,000 plus employees, focus, global brand consistency, campaigns, needs, premium brand films, advertising campaigns, public institutions, government bodies, agencies, local authorities, focus, communication, education, public messaging. Bird's offer is structured into 6 core content families: brand films, storytelling and brand positioning, advertising content, digital and TV campaigns, corporate communication, internal and external messaging, social media content, short-form, high-frequency formats, podcasts and audio content, thought leadership and authority, documentary and long-form content, premium storytelling. Each production is designed to be repurposed into multiple formats, maximizing efficiency and ROI. Bird operates through a layered value creation model. 1. Fast content, cash generation, corporate videos. Social media production leads to rapid revenue and client acquisition. 2. Premium content, margin driver, brand films, advertising campaigns, high-value projects with strong profitability. 3. Long-form content, strategic value, minus documentaries, minus film projects, right arrow brand prestige and positioning leverage. Additionally, each production is optimized through multi-format repurposing, increasing output without proportional cost increase. The audiovisual market is traditionally fragmented into strategy agencies, production studios, social media agencies. Bird consolidates all 3 functions into one unified model. Competitive advantage: integrated strategy plus production. Recurring client relationships. Business-driven content design, agile and scalable structure. We position ourselves in the mid to premium market segment, with the ability to operate across all pricing levels. Bird's growth is driven by 3 acquisition channels. 1. Direct outreach, targeted B2. B prospecting, fast conversion for corporate and advisory services. 2. LinkedIn authority strategy, case studies, production storytelling, thought leadership, primary inbound acquisition engine. 3. Network and partnerships, agencies, producers, consultants, high-value project sourcing. The goal is to transform each client into a long-term recurring relationship, not a one-off project. Bird is built as a lean core plus scalable production network. Small, permanent strategic team. Extended freelance production ecosystem. On-demand creative and technical resources. This structure allows high flexibility, controlled fixed costs, scalable production capacity. Growth strategy. Bird evolves through 4 phases: cash generation, consulting plus corporate production, recurring revenue, social media retainers, value expansion, brand content and premium production, industrial scaling, structured studio model. Projected revenue growth. Illustrative scenario. Year 1, 300,000 euros to 800,000 euros. Year 3, 800,000 euros to 2 million euros. Year 5, 1.3 million euros to 3 million euros, plus target gross margin, 55% to 70%. Long-term vision. Bird aims to become a next-generation audiovisual studio, combining creative excellence, strategic intelligence, industrial production capability, recurring revenue model. Beyond a production company, Bird is designed as a content-driven growth platform for brands. Bird doesn't just produce content. We design audiovisual storytelling that drives brand and business performance.